Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mods. Thanks for tuning back in. Just wanted to let you guys know that it's time for the second giveaway from the previous one, of course, when I gave out the turn signals. And this time I'm going to be giving out the reverse bulbs. All right, and they're pretty bright, from Last Fit brand, and I like them a lot when I had my stock taillights on. So if you're a person who's got stock taillights, you're definitely gonna want those. They look really nice, aggressive as well. Kind of gives it a nice upgrade to your. The stock one's kind of amber, but this one's gonna be white and look really nice. So all you gotta do is make sure you guys follow my Instagram at redlinemods.official, and also my second IG at streetdynasty_official. I'll put those in the description below. And from there, I'll choose someone. I'll probably announce it on Sunday afternoon. I'll choose someone on Saturday night, and I'll announce it on Sunday afternoon. All right. So that's that, guys. Stay tuned. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. You've been watching. I would appreciate that. And that's about it, fam. So stay tuned, and I hope some of you guys win. So next giveaways will be coming for sure.